Well, a lot of us will be going out to celebrate Valentine's Day tomorrow, but why not stay in with some tasty eats that you can get a benefit in more ways than one? We have our wonderful nutritionist, Courtney Bentley, here with 5 foods to sweeten your Valentine's Day. All right,
let's do this.
Tell us what you got here. Let's start here on the end. What is that? It looks like a root.
This is ginger root.
Oh, okay.
So a lot of times you eat these big meals on holidays, right? You get so excited about the holiday, you eat this big, ginormous meal, and then you don't feel so good after you eat. You kind of feel a little stuffed.
Lazy.
Yeah.
Tired.
You can have some ginger tea made from the ginger root, and this will help settle your stomach right away so that you can have a little fun after the meal. You don't feel all gross.
And bloated and stuff.
Bloated.
No, I totally get what you're saying. Yeah, because we're all going to eat tomorrow night.
Yes, exactly.
Awesome. Almonds.
Almonds. All right, so if you look at the almond, it's kind of shaped like, you know, a little fertile, like fertility. It's kind of the symbol of fertility. So actually, the scent of almonds, this is really funky, actually makes women get in the mood.
Really?
So take some notes. Have a little almond, you know, surprise at the end.
No
and
wonder
have some
I
fun.
like almonds.
I think all women like almonds, right?
No, no
like,
kidding.
Almonds. Honey is so good for your immunity, and it's actually why it's called honey is because of honeymoons.
Are you serious?
You know, so it sweetens up that, you know, after you fall in love, you get married, and you're feeling all like that happy vibe after lovey-dovey. Have some honey to kind of bring that memory back, kind of feel into that vibration again.
I like
a little bit of honeymoon.
Takes you to that happy place that you remember. Okay, I like that. What is this here?
Okay, so pomegranate juice is known to lift and boost those sex hormones up to 30%. Okay, so having a little cocktail with a little pomegranate juice or having a little pomegranate seed in your salad while you're eating your dinner is a great way to kind of boost that vibration and that feeling.
And you don't have to deal with those pesky pomegranates, which are a pain to cut up and all that. You just drink the juice and you're good to go.
Just drink the juice. Have a little cocktail with the juice. Have a little fun.
I like it. And then my favorite here at the end. What a
dark chocolate. I love dark chocolate. Dark chocolate has so many benefits. Antioxidants, magnesium, which helps you sleep really well. And it's also going to have a little bit of a dessert, a little treat. And what I love to do is combine almonds and chocolate together to make a chocolate almond, a little healthy treat after dinner. But, you know, to get those
dip it in honey and then take a swig of pomegranate juice. I'm telling you, there you go. You have tons of great tips when it comes to fitness, when it comes to healthy eating. How can people track you down and find you? I
have a podcast called Fit, Fierce, and Fabulous. It's on iTunes and Stitcher. You can check it out. Weekly episodes every single Monday. One
of the best rated podcasts on iTunes, so you got to check it out. And if you missed anything in today's segment, you can visit our website, LasVegasNow.com. Thank you so much,
Thank you so much, Mercedes.
Make sure you check under the Don't Miss tab. Right now, we're going to send it over to you.